If 2 mangoes cost 200 francs, how much for 4 mangoes? Today we unlock proportions, profit, loss, and interest. Let's go. A proportion compares two quantities that change together. When one doubles, the other doubles. This is called direct proportion. Y equals K times X. Now flip it. More workers means fewer days. When one goes up and the other goes down, that's inverse proportion. The product X times Y stays constant. In trade, we compare cost price and selling price. If selling price is higher, we get profit. If lower, it's a loss. Simple market mathematics. Worked example 1. 5 books cost 2,500 francs. What about 8 books? Set up the proportion 5 over 2,500 equals 8 over X. Cross multiply. 5x equals 20,000. Divide both sides by 5. 8 books cost 4,000 francs. Direct proportion solved. Worked example 2. Mama deposits 10,000 francs at 5% for 2 years. Use the simple interest formula. I equals P times R times T, divided by 100. Substitute the values. 10,000 times 5 times 2 all over 100. That gives us 1,000 francs interest. Total amount becomes 11,000 francs. Common mistake. Students confuse simple and compound interest. Simple interest stays flat each year. Compound interest grows on previous interest. Read the question carefully. Remember dips. Direct proportion multiplies together. Inverse keeps product constant. Profit is selling minus cost. Simple interest equals PRT over 100. Well done. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons that make exams easy. Visit ovasaabi.com today and keep learning.